Hi dear Pisces, a very good morning to you guys. So this is a general reading for January 2021. So this is a relationship reading. Take it as it resonates with you guys. So let's quickly see how your partner and you are going to do in January 2021. So your partner's energy is the star card. Very beautiful energy. They are feeling hopeful, they are feeling positive, they are feeling in the happy zone. They are feeling like, yes, I can work it, I can make it work out, I can make this relationship into something very very beautiful, spiritual and good. Okay, on the other hand, your energy is the sun card. So you are also feeling happy, you are feeling like a kid, you are feeling like, yes, I have all the beautiful energy of the universe and I know what I want. And kiddish energy is there. You don't know, you don't know what you want, but you are going in the flow, you are flowing with the flow, you are enjoying everything in this relationship right now. And how your partner sees you: Six of Wands. They see you as a reward in this relationship. They see you that you come into their life, you are in their life and you are the reward of their life. They are feeling like, yes, this is the person that I wanted in my life and this is finally coming to me and this person is making my life very very happy and beautiful. How you see your person: Empress. You see them as a very creative, very loving, very motherly kind of figure. You feel like this person makes you whole, this person makes you complete, and this person is the one who is going to make you feel like a princess and queen or king, like that in your love life. And what he feels about you, what they feel about you, the King of Wands energy, they feel about you is they are very very passionate about you. They are very very energetic, they are very 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 passionate, they are stable. See, the king is there, so they are stable, they are very very passionate, and they have made up their mind, they know what they want, and they feel like, yes, you are the right person for them, and yet they are having a very very passionate and loving energy towards you right now. What you feel about them is the King of Swords energy. You got the mental clarity and you are on the path of like, I want what I want in my life, I want this person in my life, and I am very very clear about this person in my life. I don't want anyone else in my life, only this person. Okay, and what they want from this relationship: the world. See, they see you as their world and they want this happiness, this completion with you. They want this thing to change into something very very sweet and very very supportive. They want to travel the world with you, to see the world with you, to see this is a card of happily ever after, or you can say completion as well. This is a circle that is going to complete. But the world card for me right now is telling me that this is the person for you. This person wants to share the world with you, to share their world with you. Okay, and what you want from this relationship is the Page of Cups energy is there. You want something fresh in this relationship. You want some kind of loving energy coming up. You want childlike energy, you want childlike emotions, emotional support from this person. Okay, from this relationship. And the outcome from their side is Knight of Cups. They love you, Pisces. They are in love with you and they are coming in front of you with their cup. Maybe a proposal is coming to you, maybe a marriage or commitment proposal is coming to you. See, this is the Knight cup, this is the Knight card. So they are not the king yet, but yes, they are very much sure about their emotions, and they feel like, yes, this is the right person for me, and they are coming to you. On the other hand, your energy, your outcome of this reading is the Knight of Swords. Don't rush into anything. Okay, don't rush into anything. Don't rush into saying yes, or don't rush into saying no, and don't make any kind of decision in a hurry. Just take your sweet time, take baby steps. You are feeling like very very charming, very very beautiful. You are feeling like a child who is not able to control his emotions, and he's happy go lucky, he's a chirpy, he just wants what he wants. But okay, this is a very beautiful energy, Pisces, I understand, but you have to be a little patient about things. Okay, just don't take any kind of decision in this relationship, regarding this relationship, in a hurry. Okay, so the lesson for you is wait. This is a Two of Wands. Wait for the right time for this relationship. Let this relationship grow into something very beautiful. Give this relationship time, give this relationship your energy. Okay, and the environment, or we can say, yeah, just a second, let me see. Opportunity for growth. Opportunity for growth is very very good. This is the Queen of Cups. She is also beautiful, she is also very very emotionally stable. She's this relationship can turn into something very very beautiful and very very stable and very very emotionally fulfilled. relationship in the future. Okay, things you have to let go of is the Six of Cups, Six of Pentacles energy. Don't try to make everything perfect. Don't try to make everything look like a fairy tale. You have to let go of this side of yours, Pisces, that you feel like everything should be perfect, everything should be like the way I want it to be. No, everything is not going to be the way you want it to be. Okay, but definitely it can be a happy thing, but you have to let go of this thing to seek balance in everything. Sometimes disbalance is also good. Okay, and the opportunity for growth, or you can say the guidance, is the Ace of Cups. So see, there's love, there's lots of love in your reading, there's lots of love from both the parties. You guys love each other, you guys feel like, yes, this is the person I want in my life, and you also feel the same for them. So this is the opportunity for growth. Give this relationship time, give this relationship your energy, and you are going to love it by the end of January 2021. So Pisces, this is a reading for you guys for January 2021. I hope you like it, and I hope it will help you guys to have some insight in your relationship. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste and Happy New Year. Do subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section below if I have to improve something in my readings. Thank you so much.